New rules, people, new rules. Any video that ain't got a good fair amount of views after a couple of weeks, I'll get rid of it. So, watch them straight away, or they're gone. Right, that I see. So this is the bloke I buy loads of stuff off of, and then he posts it when it weighs 10 kilos. So, here's something for the wife there. Let's see that for £1. So, and this translates to, I shall put it on the screen, and I thought that's quite fitting. Right, very quick, we got one of them. It's only cheap. I'll go back out the door again, won't it? A giant Gador, 36 and 31mm, look, 1 1/4, 1 7/16. Nice big old chisel. Sockets, you can never go wrong with a load of sockets if the price is right. These are also Gador, so good, strong, or brittle. Gador, brittle, means that's the other Gador. So I think literally they were £1 and £1. Yeah, and then these were £1. I say quid, it's £1, but you might as well think dollar, alright? And these buggers, look at the size of them. They were £1 as well. That's another Rolls Royce spanner. I go with my set of Rolls Royces. So I thought I'd get that, because that was about £2. King Dick, 24, 19mm. That's, I think I paid 2.5 for that, and I'll probably get a tenner. Little Stanley tiny shore foam, great for plasterboard, taking the the awkward bits off when you got to dig a little hole in it. £1.50 or £1.50. This is a cheap box, isn't it? Eh? Then I got a mixture of these. For some reason, these always go for a fair bit of money. I mean, I think these were £3, but I mean that's quite big in it, so and it has got a little. I think that's going to be post office. That looks like a post office as well, but not got the glasses. Right, tiny little wind timmins, so that will be worth more than a footprint. And then we've got a WOW brand, because I do like the Chinese ones of these. Little Eclipse, that's got to be worth £12 done, and I paid £2 for that. I think they were £1.50 the pair. A nice pair of metal cutters, tin snips. And I've got an elephant to go with the whale, eh? And look at that, two different, they are the same size, 6 and 6. Elephant and a whale brand. Makes me happy. And the obligatory box of Allen keys I always seem to get from Tony. So, like I say, you never have enough Allen keys. It's perfect for sitting things on while you're painting. Well, that was a shit video, Jim. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? That was crap, wasn't it? And you got nothing good to show us, Jim? Well, I have actually, from my friend George. George in America, he sent me this. This is a lovely bulldog, alligator, crocodile, fishtail, whatever you want to call it. Light bulb changer. Wrench, because it's come from America. It's a wrench. Then he knows my love of diamond alloy, so he sent me a diamond cork. I believe this is a pony shoe, because it's a size treble O PL. So that's a treble O pony. Don't know, but He actually got 2 of these and they were welded together in a funny shape. So he kept one, cut it apart and sent me this one. So that just wants a little clean. Get the rest of that weld off. So I am over the moon with that for the old Diamaloy collection. So that's good. He sent me a letter and a mini little, tiniest little pipe wrench in the world, because he knows I've got a thing about pipe wrenches. That makes my hands look big, doesn't it, that pipe wrench? Yeah. So a letter in there, personal letter, can't read that to you people. And maybe the pièce de résistance, but I don't think so, although it is very, very nice. This is a lovely Jim Did It Sign Company ruler, or rule, depending what you want to call it. That is fantastic, isn't it? That only cost 36 times the postage for this one item than what the item cost. This comes separate to the others because it's a bit delicate, isn't it? So, now, was that it, Jim? No, George sent me something else in the package with these. Something I just can't get in England. George sent me this. A Littlestown vice. And, I mean, that's bloody brilliant, isn't it? Isn't it nice? It's broken though. I mean, he said to me there's a pin missing and there's a washer missing. That's not broken, is it? That's just a faulty washer. So, be a washer here, fit in that hole. Fit in that hole there. And a pin. So, I mean, that was silver as well. Looking at it, you can see all the paint on that. Silver. I've done this entire video. I realise I've only got 1/3 of my lights on. Oh dear. Anyway, never mind, because this is probably the last of the low quality videos. I mean, shall we? I'll tell you what I do, because it ain't gonna work. We're gonna clean this up right now. Look at that, it's got emblem on the end. Isn't that amazing? That's lovely, that, isn't it? I can't read it because I got my glasses on. I can't read what that emblem is, but there we are. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the cleaning this right now and video it. But, because a tool haul and a vice clean video won't work in the same algorithm, that's it. That's the end of this video. Alright? But, if you've been waiting for this on a Friday, in 30 minutes, the cleaning of this video will be out. So, hang on in there. I'm going to say, see you in half hour. Bye for now. Right then, people. So, should we get this apart? No, I'm joking. You really have got to wait 30 more minutes.